Hey, what's up, Transformer fans? This is 1980 Han Solo with another kind of cool Transformer review. You know, or a little bit of old school kind of. 2007, maybe 2004, John figure. Just want to show you two of these toys. I think they're pretty cool. Not very much articulation, but they're okay. That's a 2007 Scout Class Air Raid and Energon Scout Class Sky Blast. So they're pretty cool. Let's check them out real quick. Uh, they're easy to transform too, so let's go ahead and mess with them. Let's go ahead and do it. These are tech mode. As you can see, you can just set these up like this. But for some reason, Sky Blast is real loose. They don't even stick on right. Unless they're backwards. Let's see. Well, yeah, it's not as tight as this one though. Air Raid is the pegs. These peg on pretty good in Air Raid. Pretty cool jet mode on both of them. Just a repaint. Cool little Autobot symbol there. So let's go ahead and transform this guy. That's the jet mode right there. You got some weird claws in the bottom here. I don't know what this is for. They're just there. But here's all the pieces though. But you can make it to a big old spear. Big spear. There it is. You can just stick this on together. And there's a spear. Comes with a star. So let's go ahead and transform this guy real quick. Lift his arms up. Like that. Very simple. And then you want to twist this. And then kind of auto moves them. So as you spin this upward, the whole thing spins. Pretty cool. So that's why I like it. Pretty cool transformation there. Pretty neat. You just put these around here. There you go, and you just shift this down like this. Now you have just wings. Flip them around. And there's Sky Blast. Not much articulation, just in and out on the legs. You could do this. No knee articulation, but you could move the legs like this, side to side. Elbow. It's alright. No head articulation unless you put this up instead of going all the way back. You just move it up a little bit like that, and you can move his head a little bit. But then this thing will be sticking up too high, so I guess you could just have it all the way down and lock it in place. Just like that. And let's go ahead and throw a spear on. And there's Sky Blast. Yeah, he has a cool face. I dig the face. It's okay. It's cool. Dig the face. So let's go ahead and mess with Air Raid now. This guy here in the back. And here goes Air Raid. The Scout Class movie, Air Raid. Same thing, repaint. Just nice cool little camouflage. Autobot symbol there. Let's transform this guy again. Cool little jet mode. Kind of Cybertronian looking jet mode. Comes with 4 pieces. You can take this off too. See, like that. They both come with 4 pieces. And then you just make the spear on this one too. Just like that. And just stick it on. He has a big old spear. And then same thing for this one. Same claws. You can see his head on the bottom though. And then you just want to move up the arms again. Oh, I gotta move these claws. And then down. And a cool little, kind of like a cool little transformation when you spin this. The whole thing just moves around. The head comes around. Just like that. You just shift this down. And boom, there he is. You just spin the wings around. And there's Air Raid. In his robot mode. And then you just put this big old sphere or spear. There he is. And there he is next to Skyblast, Energon. There they are. Skyblast and Air Raid. My little, kind of like a little old school Transformer review. They're pretty old. This was probably 4 years old, and that was probably like 6 years old. Air Raid's face, pretty cool. I actually painted the eyes. They were red, so I painted them blue. And came out pretty good, huh? So it's pretty cool. Cool little figure. Not much articulation, same thing as this one. Skyblast. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching this Transformers review. Old school, kind of a little bit of throwback here. Not G1, but they're still old figures. I picked them up because I like them. They're cool. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave comments, whatever. Alright guys, peace out.